So we're in Grayson Highlands today. I've been here a couple times in the past. This is actually the first place that I ever went backpacking, and it's an amazing spot. There's wild horses and wild ponies and all kinds of stuff to go see. It's amazing scenery. I've never been here in the winter, so I don't know how it looks now with all the leaves gone and everything, but we're gonna go check it out. I got Cheyenne.
Hey.
And then I got Kaden. It's a little frozen today, a little frigid. You got ice on the trail. There's like nobody here. Nobody's in the parking lot. I saw one other car in the parking lot. It's very peaceful out here right now. If you're not familiar with Grayson Highlands is one of the most popular state parks in Virginia, and it's known for its wild horses or ponies, whatever you want to call them, and wild longhorn. And we're gonna go try to freaking find some today and check out the beautiful scenery. It's super cool because Grayson Highlands has a lot of balds where there's no trees and it's just big open fields with like amazing views and stuff. So I'm pretty excited. So we kind of went off trail a little bit. We're just kind of walking through this field, and we're going up there to those rocks. It looks pretty cool. But I mean, it's absolutely beautiful out here right now. That's where we're heading.
If you look like right over there, there's like horses.
Yeah, there's horses over there. So we're gonna go over there. And, oh, I don't know if they're horses. They might be longhorn. But over there is the Appalachian Trail. We're gonna be hiking on the AT up to the top. It's hard to do this without hands. Gosh dang, my hair is getting on my last nerves. Whose idea was it to get long hair? Man, not at the top yet. Those rocks are the top. Here's some of the view right now. That's looking like southeast-ish towards Grandfather Mountain and everything. This might be looking into Virginia. I'm not 100% sure. Absolutely beautiful up here, dude. And there's nobody here. And that would be surprising to me, but I think I know why. Because it's really cold and windy right now. My hands are frozen because this tripod's metal and I keep having to hold it. Even with the gloves, I have to like use my fingers and everything. So I'm a little frozen with the wind. Without the wind, it's not bad, but with the wind, it's a little chilly. Yeah, absolutely amazing. I do see horses and stuff up on the AT. They're actually on the trail up there, so we're gonna go that direction next. Dude, you're gonna bust it. I found a frozen frozen pond, swamp, maybe. And you're gonna go in, dude. This is sketch. I'm gonna get off of this. This is slick. With his camera. Okay, you're about to go in. Caden's in the middle, dude. Oh my gosh. Dude.
There's no grip on this, dude.
We made it. Shine, you good?
Yeah.
We made it to the edge of the park, and from here on out is National Forest. And we're on the Appalachian Trail officially, and we're gonna be on the AT for the rest of the hike, all the way up to the top. All right, so we were just chilling here, and we got a visitor. What's going on, buddy?
How you doing?
Hey, buddy. He's so pretty.
You're like,
oh my gosh,
shit.
oh my gosh. Whoa!
He's a speed racer.
There they go. He did a freaking flyby. Gosh dang.
as soon as I got my camera out and ready, he was like, meow. So I'm like, all right.
It was fast.
Oh, it's a baby.
It's a little baby.
Oh. Oh. Mama.
That's not mama. That's a bigger baby.
Hey, buddy.
No.
No. No, you can't stop. You can
Hey,
stop.
man.
This is my stuff. No. Those are over there chilling.
I'm scared of my mind right
He
now.
could kick you in the face.
He's right here, dude.
Watch out. If he turns around, I would move. Shine it. Shine it. No.
Stop,
No.
buddy.
You're really pretty, but just dang it.
We're not
Oh,
gonna
my
give you
bad.
any food, dude.
Oh,
He's rubbing his back.
he's rubbing his back on that. You got an itch.
Thank you, sir.
All right, so we're back on the trail, back to the top of Wilburn Ridge after that incident. He wanted our snacks that we were snacking on. He wouldn't like leave us alone. And he tried to eat Caden's bag. He tried to eat my bag. He like kept like, if that bench wasn't there, dude, I would have been so scared. Cause like I've seen multiple videos of them kicking people. He did look a little sad. I did feel kind of bad. You saw that one that was like booking it. What happens if like one's like booking it down the dang trail? We are hiking up to there. That's the top of Wilburn Ridge. I actually have never been up to this part, so I'm pretty excited to see what the view's like up that way. The lighting is absolutely amazing right now, guys. Like, look at this. It's just beautiful. It is just all beautiful. Whew. This is the top right here. Oh man, look at this view. Holy crap. Yes, dude.
Dude. Wow.
Beautiful. Look at all that. All right, guys. So we just chilling up here. Got some drone shots. I ate like 2 crackers.
That's cold hands.
And yeah, it's really freaking cold. My hands are frozen from the wind. It's not as windy as it was earlier, but it's still got a little breeze. I wish I could stay up here for sunset. I mean, it's just beautiful out here, is it not?
It's gorgeous.
We're just gonna, I guess, hike back down. I hope you guys enjoyed this little adventure into the Grayson Highlands and Jefferson National Forest and this area, the Mount Rogers area. That's gonna, I guess, do it for this video. If you guys enjoyed this little adventure,
That's gonna conclude this video.
that's gonna be it. That's
Like, subscribe, leave a comment,
do all that jazz, and I'll see you in the next adventure.
live cosmic.